When weariness sets in, and you find yourself starting anew, uncertain of your path, seeking guidance in marketing and managing your business, when the costs of creating websites feel daunting and the intricacies of online sales elude you, we step into your shoes. We lend a helping hand without expecting anything in return. Whether you have a budget to spare or none at all, turn to New to Use, and let us be your guiding light. It's free, easy to use, boosts your business and sales, strengthens your community, most of all give you peace of mind. Now it's your time. Put your new life to use with New to Use.